I can say this, we will do large deportations from Springfield, Ohio. Large deportations. We're going to get these people out. We're bringing them back to Venezuela.
What's up, guys? Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Larry, and remember, if you're watching my videos for the first time, kindly like, subscribe, comment and share to my videos. To my returning subscribers, I want you to know that I am truly grateful for always coming back to view my videos, and to my new subscribers, my new viewers, I want you to know that you are on the right channel. I want you to feel much welcomed. So guys, today I want us to dive into this video of what it means for Trump's win over this election. We all know what Trump has been saying, and there has been several videos going around to why most of the black people, most of black Jamaicans, most of the Jamaicans immigrant chose to vote for Trump instead of Kamala Harris. So guys, let's watch these videos and then I'll be back with more comments.
If Donald Trump wins the 2024 presidential election, what could this mean for undocumented Jamaicans in the United States? In this video, we'll break down how his policies could impact illegal Jamaican immigrants and the risks and potential outcomes they might face. Trump has made it clear that he's focused on what he calls securing the borders and cracking down on illegal immigration. During his 2016 and 2020 campaigns, his administration implemented some of the strictest immigration policies in modern U.S. history. If he were to win in 2024, it's likely that he would try to revive or intensify these policies. For undocumented Jamaicans, one of the main concerns would be the risk of deportation. Under Trump's previous administration, there was a significant increase in ICE raids and deportations of undocumented immigrants, even in communities that had long been safe for these individuals. A return to Trump's leadership could mean renewed fears of raids, increased presence of immigration enforcement, and potentially an increase in deportations. Jamaicans seeking legal residency in the U.S. may also face more challenges under Trump's policies. He has historically supported limiting pathways to citizenship and increasing scrutiny on work visas, family petitions, and asylum applications. For Jamaicans who may already be in the process of adjusting their status or applying for residency, this could mean longer wait times and more restrictions. Many undocumented Jamaicans live in vibrant Jamaican American communities in cities like New York, Miami, and Atlanta. A Trump presidency could make life in these communities more uncertain. Donald Trump has always advocated for strong immigration enforcement. For many, including a significant number of Jamaicans, this is not just about policies, it's about safety. When undocumented immigrants enter the U.S. illegally, they may contribute to criminal networks back home, sending money and even firearms to Jamaica to fuel violence and crime. It's crucial that the U.S. prioritizes legal immigration and tightens its borders to prevent these issues from escalating. In Jamaica, the impact of illegal immigration can be profound. Some Jamaicans who migrate illegally to the U.S. end up engaging in criminal activities, both in the States and back home. This cycle of violence and crime puts immense strain on Jamaican society. Just as some Jamaicans are quick to call for the deportation of Haitians entering Jamaica illegally, it's vital that we maintain similar standards for our own citizens entering other countries. A Trump presidency could reinforce the message that illegal immigration will not be tolerated. Many Jamaicans come to the U.S. on visas and then overstay, competing for jobs and public services. Jamaicans who overstay also makes it harder for Jamaicans who go through the legal route. Legal immigration should always be encouraged. Many Jamaicans have successfully entered the U.S. through legal channels, contributing to society and the economy. By promoting a legal pathway, the U.S. can ensure that those who truly wish to contribute are recognized, while those who seek to undermine security and contribute to crime face consequences. It's time for Jamaicans, both at home and abroad, to hold each other accountable. Those who engage in illegal activities should face repercussions, regardless of their nationality. Stricter immigration policies under a Trump administration would send a clear message that illegal behavior will not be tolerated, thereby protecting communities both in Jamaica and the United States. A Trump victory could usher in a new era of immigration policies that prioritize safety and legal integrity. It's essential for all Jamaicans to consider the broader implications of illegal immigration and to support a system that fosters responsibility and accountability. Together, we can ensure a brighter future for both countries.
Trump is promising mass deportation of unauthorized immigrants living in the United States. And according to the Pew Research Center, there's about 11 million of them. The ACLU wants to find out about this, so they filed a lawsuit today against the federal government to get information on the government's resources and capabilities to actually go through this type of deportation. Lawsuit, which was filed in the Southern District of New York, states that the U.S. government spends billions of dollars each year in detention and deportation, but that the public really doesn't know how this entire operation works, and the ACLU is requesting information on this. A new report suggests it could cost the U.S. government $88 billion each year to deport 1 million people. So the ACLU is seeking records from the government that would demonstrate their capacity to detain people, deport them, house them, transportation, contracts, subcontracts, all of the details involved in carrying out such a mass deportation. Do you guys think this is really going to happen if Trump wins?
So guys, once again, I hope you've watched the video up to the end. And this is an election, and of course there must be an election is like a competition. There must be a winner and a loser, but as we all know, or rather majorly to some of us, or rather most of us, losing is not just really losing. To some of us it's learning, but to most of people, or rather other people, it's losing. They call it, but point blank, it's losing. But we all know that there is something that Kamala Harris as well as Trump, they have learned from either this victory and that defeat. So guys, we've been hearing, or rather watching on the news, that Donald Trump has been campaigning. It's not just these years campaign, but even in 2022 July, Donald Trump campaign, he had to say that most of the undocumented immigrants in the United States should prepare themselves for deportation. And now that I raised a question in my head, that could it be that majorly the black people, the black Jamaicans, black Africans, they chose to vote for Donald Trump, instead of Kamala Harris, because of what Donald Trump has been saying in his campaigns? Could it be that they are afraid of deportation, so that's why they decided to vote in, or rather majorly vote in, for Donald Trump, so that he could favor them? You tell me what you think, guys, in the comment section. But all in all, congratulations to Donald Trump, and also congratulations to Kamala Harris for taking, or rather being courageous, to compete against Donald Trump. And at the end of this video, I'll also share his, or rather her speech, her first speech that she made to the public after conceding defeat. Now, you guys, again, I'd love us, or rather how I'd wish that our leaders made our countries a safer place for us. How I do wish our leaders made our countries a safer place for us, because we can see what Donald Trump has said. And I know we have a lot of black immigrants, and also black people who are also planning on going to the United States. They actually don't have enough money to get the right documents, so most people choose to illegally migrate to these countries. Now, guys, you've seen what Donald Trump have said. How I just wish that our leaders made our countries a better place for everyone. How I'd wish that our leaders started acknowledging our raw talents here in Africa. How I'd wish our leaders give our people first priorities before they give it to anybody else. But as we know, most of our leaders are greedy. They are selfish. They only care about their pockets. They don't care about us as the citizens of the country. And that's among the saddest things that's happening in our countries. We've also seen what these Puerto Rican, or is he from Venezuela, what he had to say. He questions Trump and asked him, like, how about these hard jobs? Most of the white people don't do these hard jobs. These immigrants are the people who get to do these hard jobs. And you heard what Trump had to say. There is a video I did about the British. The British people were on the streets protesting about the black people. They have flooded their country. They are taking all the job opportunities from them. And also, it's not sad, or rather shocking, that most of these protesters, others were even our fellow black people. Our fellow black people are protesting because their fellow black people have flooded this British country, and that they have made them lack opportunities for work. What happened, guys? What happened to humanity? So guys, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for always taking time to come back and view my videos. To my new subscribers, my new viewers, I want you to feel much welcomed on board. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to view my videos. Now, I want to share a video of Kamala Harris' last speech she did after conceding defeat. So guys, thank you for always watching my videos. Remember, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment and share on my videos and also on my channel. Your support means so much to me and it helps me really grow. So guys, and until we meet again, peace out. So let's watch this video of Kamala Harris' speech.
To the young people who are watching, it is, I love you. To the young people who are watching, it is okay to feel sad and disappointed, but please know it's going to be okay. On the campaign, I would often say, when we fight, we win. But here's the thing. Sometimes the fight takes a while. That doesn't mean we won't win. That doesn't mean we won't win. The important thing is don't ever give up. Don't ever give up. Don't ever stop trying to make the world a better place. You have power. You have power. And don't you ever listen when anyone tells you something is impossible because it has never been done before. You have the capacity to do extraordinary good in the world. And so to everyone who is watching, do not despair. This is not a time to throw up our hands. This is a time to roll up our sleeves.